Welcome, in this video I will show you how to toggle flip to boot feature on LENOVO V15. First of all, you have to enter the BIOS menu on your PC. In order to do that, you have to power off your laptop completely. Once you power it off, short press the power button once again and then repeatedly press the F2 key until the BIOS menu appears on your screen. Then you'll be able to switch between tabs using the left and right arrow keys and switch between options using down and up arrow keys. This way, go to Configuration tab and then scroll down to Flip to Boot option, press Enter, and to change the value you have to select one of the available ones. And once you selected the value that you need, press Enter once again. Now to apply changes and exit, press F10 and Enter. To exit without saving changes, press Escape, and to restore default values, press F9. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.